So guys, this is the second part of my video. First, I told you about like how to massage your face because now it's around 11 in 11 a.m. in Dubai. Now because we done already putting sunscreen, and before also I put toner and moisturizer, and then because I have to go to go out, so I just use Kojic Sun SPF 50. So you can use this, okay? And it depends on your face type of your skin. You can use different SPF also. Yeah, this is good because I'm using retinol every night. So every night also, beauty skincare routine is also different. So I will also tell you next time. I'll tell you next time because now I just want to show you the daily routine makeup, and it's very simple. It's not very like expensive one. You know. And I'm drinking coffee because it's breakfast. So I make sure I have to have something to eat in the morning. So now I will start. I'm using Rimmel London. It's a multitasker wake me up. It's both there's concealer and foundation with a calling wand, vitamin C caffeine. So this is 030. I don't know if you see light. And what I'm doing, because they said there's some cooling wand, right? This is the cooling wand. I need to remove first. The cooling wand will help to remove all your eye bags. So because here, this one, I had to do, this is really cool, see? Just massage. All over your eyes. Because I have like little dark eye. So good, guys. Just try. Okay. Now I'm putting. This is how I put makeup actually. From here, here, here. Putting only that. From here I'm putting, because it's not good now you use a you're using only for your face. You're putting only for your face. You can speak Tagalog now. It's so hard to speak English daily. Just do like this. Upward. Okay. Then do. I do it from here, so it doesn't look like doesn't look like, you know, white in here and down. It's not. Yes. And you know how I put eyebrow? It's very simple, guys. Very, very simple. I use this. Sorry. I bought this from Face Shop in DCC. First, here, because here we don't have this too much hair, right? So wala tayong mga buhok dito na side. Manipis kasi yung buhok ko. So, una, dito muna. Yung iba kasi mga, they actually start from this side, but me first, because I know there's something like no hair really, like, so okay, just do like that to cover up. And I put something here, little only, guys. It's like a stroke, not too much, okay? Then here. So, just brush it off little. Medyo kailangan kasi faded yung first dito na side, and a little bit darker nasa last. Kasi ang last part ng eyebrow natin is medyo madimis, so doon tayo parang ilalagyan natin napakapalan. Okay, a little bit of some adjustment here. Medyo kung makita mo siya dito, mas okay na siya, diba? Or hindi siya yung so super dark, yung tama lang. Ang kinuha ko pala is dark brown na eyebrow. Sa Face Shop po ito mabibili. Much easier to buy from there and easier to use, because it's like you'll just, you know, do this stroking. Yeah, then do the same thing the other side. This is just this very, very simple way on how to put on your daily makeup. And you know, guys, I'm not okay today. We just broke up with my boyfriend 3 days ago, because he said he want to marry other lady, and that one I want to talk about next video. We will talk about that one. I'm still in pain, really, and every morning I'm just crying. hope someone can give me advice about how to move on. And I'm watching videos how to move on, how to stop thinking. But if you're in a long time, because we are 4 years in relationship, and you cannot just forget the person that who's with you for a long time. It's been 4 years. Oh my god, I'm crying. So yeah, I'll talk about that maybe later. I'll make video. First, I'll show you how to. I'll show you first how to put makeup. Para di naman ma-waste yung time. Just for helping you guys if you want to learn how to put eyebrow this way. You see the difference? But it will take time. Need patience. Okay. To do this one. So, hope it's all good now. And first I use this. My sister gave me the contour for contour. Don't marunong, but I'll try my best. Hold on for a minute.